Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting essentials ready. Make sure your Xbox One is updated and your laptop supports the Xbox app or has an HDMI input or capture card. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices because that authentication lets the app find your console. Once done, on the Xbox, go to Settings then Preferences and enable streaming and remote connections so your console accepts the laptop. While you do that, keep your router nearby to avoid connection drops. Now connect. Open the Xbox app on your laptop and let it scan for consoles. Select your Xbox One and choose wireless streaming if you're on the same Wi-Fi. If your laptop lacks HDMI input, plug a capture card into USB, run HDMI from Xbox to the capture card, and select that source in recording software. Make sure to adjust streaming quality inside the app. Pick lower bitrate for smoother play or higher resolution for sharper visuals. Also, finish by testing controls, audio, and visual latency. Play a short session to confirm responsiveness. If you see stutter or input lag, make sure both devices use Ethernet or reduce wireless interference, close bandwidth-hungry apps, and lower streaming bitrate. Those steps usually resolve most issues. If using a capture card and you get no signal, update the card drivers, switch USB ports, or try a different HDMI cable. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices after changes to force a fresh connection and clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.